Hello everyone. Now we are going to see three types of dependent class. Dependent classes can act as adjective class, adverb class or noun class. An adjective class is also known as relative class. The car that your wife sold me last week has broken down. It gives more information about the car. So it is an adjective class. So adjective class begins with relative pronoun or relative adverb. So relative pronouns and adverbs are who, whom, which, that, whose, when, why, where. Here are some more words. It tells about which one, what kind or how many. It gives more information about the noun or pronoun that comes before it. So that class is known as adjective class. The lady who lives across the street is my aunt. So it gives more information about the noun lady. The book that is on the chair belongs to Marvin. So it speaks about the book that is on the chair. So it is an adjective class. I do not like people who are mean to animals. Who are mean to animals is an adjective class. Did you go to the school where my friend Jim goes? So where my friend Jim goes. So it is an adjective class. Next we can go to adverbial class. Adverbial class gives more information about how the verb acts, how does the action is happening. He literally stitched sacks until his fingers bleed. So how did she work? How did he work? He worked until his fingers bleed. So it gives more information about how, when, where, why or to what extent. Here are some examples. If Sam calls, please tell him that I will be late. So if Sam calls, so it is an adverbial class. When we played in the garden until the sun set. So up to what extent they have played. Though she was busy, Alice helped the young boy. So how did she behave? So it is an adverbial class. John went home after he finished his lunch. After he finished his lunch is an adverbial class. So adverbial class gives information about when, where, why, how, under what condition, in what manner or to what extent. The sentence will make sense even if you put them at the beginning or end of the sentence, but noun classes and adjective classes cannot be moved. This is another way to check to see adverb class. Before I go to bed, I brush my teeth. Before I go to bed, you can change the position in the sentence. I brush my teeth before I go to bed. If you change the position also, it gives meaning. Here are some more examples. Jennifer scrubbed the bathroom until her arm ached. Whenever you get home, call me. You can even change the class and here you can see the meaning has not changed. Here are some more examples. Next we can go to noun class. So noun class gives more information about the noun. It says about the noun. Whoever turned the ovens off is keeping quiet. So here speaks about the person who has turned off the oven. So it is a noun class. So noun class usually introduced by the connecting word that. It answers the question why, what, where, when, how. I cannot understand why she is angry with me. So why she is angry with me is a noun class. Here are some more examples. Whatever Brinda cooked made me happy. So here whatever Brinda here works as a subject. Sometimes noun class works as a direct object, indirect object or prepositional object. Do you understand what the homework entails? So it works as direct object. Always honor whichever person you serve for an excellent service. Whichever person you serve, it works as an indirect object. I want to work with whoever is excellent in the skill. So here it acts as a prepositional phrase. It comes after the preposition with. Here are some more examples. Which acts as a noun class, acts as a subject or object and as a complement. Thank you.